Time to wash our hands today. Wash the little germs away. Turn the water not too hot. Give it everything you've got. Wash, wash, wash your hands. It's a super healthy plan. Scrub them clean and make them new. It's the smartest thing to do. Get some soap, a bubbly blob. Now we'll do a super job. Rub your palms and